People, people. Jamaicans abroad and home. What is really happening in Jamaica? Don't care how the policemen them go out there and take out these evil boys, send them to the afterlife, fly them back. The boy them still determined. Now people, the latest news in Santoy Hanover people. Yesterday evening, Wednesday evening, about somewhere after 8 p.m., men went to this supermarket to install cameras, doing their job, Get a job from the proprietor of the supermarket to install cameras in the supermarket and around. And these drunk, I would call them no good demons, most in the area they live, saw what was happening and come in the supermarket, 4 of them, as if they were customers, and open fire on the workmen, the 7 man them. People, all 7, the people them can up wicked. These dirty boy, they can up the people them wicked. 3 died and 4 in serious condition. Now people, one of the deceased is Michael, just known as Michael, and the other is Omar. Omar went there with his stepfather too. That's what they said, alleged his stepfather, to help him install this camera, and lost his life. Were they these dirty demonic boy have plans to attack that supermarket? It is quite obvious they have some plan. It's for them place people, and they didn't want no camera installed, so they come and they shoot up the people them. They even run down to the victims way around the back of the supermarket to call him up. And all 4 boys, men drunk up, make good their escape. People, they are from the area. People, them not just come and just happen to see camera they installed. No, they from the area. Somebody tell them what happening down there, and they come and for them place or they plan go match up. It's not like they were installing camera on the street, all over Jamaica they have camera on the light post them and all of that. They were installing camera for the supermarket, a job. The decent job that they go around and do is a job. And these dirty, wicked boys take out the man them, fly them man them bat for they doing their honest job. One of the men have 5 children. How these kids gonna manage, people? And people, the worst thing is that most of them family members, know it's them do it, know that they're doing all these wicked things, and they can't even inform the police smartly about it. They have to shut them out because they don't want to lose them life, so they don't talk. But people, there must be a way that they could signal somebody, because nowadays I realize in some places people attack all where I go on, and somebody must know something. Those guys were doing their honest job. They weren't in no war with them or anything. They were installing cameras. Their job, somebody call you, give you a job to do. Installing cameras is nothing criminal in that. So installing a surveillance camera for you to see what's going on in your place and whatever if you're not there. It's nothing, had nothing to do with scam and gunman. But I guess it has something to do with them because they have their plans. They had their plans. They plan to come and do something at that place. Yes. So the cameras got in hinder them. So if the owners for the place, those men there and the owner for the place still get some high profile death command police officers to supervise while other men come and install it, what they gonna do? They can't do nothing, people. But I hope that the law, the JCF, the Jamaica Defense Force, search non-stop for these men, these drunko, these dirty boys, and bring them to justice. Not to go in prison and eat taxpayer money, but wipe them out, fly them back, fly them back, fly them back. These men are heartless and cruel. What next, people? You gonna kill somebody for doing their job. They never even say, boy, you no move from here, so no install nothing. And, you know, even if they want to fire up a one can with their dirty self. But this no call for killing. That call for killing people, shooting up 7 persons in a little district like Santoy. The residents are frightened. They say, what is happening in this place, people? What kind of loggerhead boys? Nowadays, some of people are saying that these bad men are educated. Men, the people, they're not educated. These are loggerheads, high drugs head, whatever they put in their brain, that telling them to go and do things. They don't have no second thought. Them here is new time bad man. Little young boys, them some little stupid, jumpy, killy. People, like, share, and comment. Subscribe. Thank you.